Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. I'm here to decode the latest financial whispers from the MOSAIC company, and let's just say their recent report might just be planting some interesting seeds for the future. Before we dig in, if you love getting the inside scoop on what these corporate filings really mean, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to join a community of savvy investors discussing these insights, check out the Discord link in the description below. Today we were looking at a current report from the MOSAIC company, or as they reknown some of the biggest players in the fertilizer and agricultural nutrient space. Think about what feeds our world. MOSAIC is a key part of that. This report is all about their preliminary results for the quarter that ended in September of 2025. So what did they find as they looked at their operations and financial health for that period? It's a bit of a heads up before the full picture emerges. This document is essentially telling us where they stand at a high level for that 3-month stretch. Now, as per usual with these kinds of reports, the real juicy details are often tucked away in what they call exhibits. It is like the appendices of a book where you find the most important charts and supplemental info. And the star of the show here is a press release from the 10th of October, 2025, giving us a peek at those preliminary operating results for the quarter ending the 30th of September, 2025. This is the main event, folks, the first real look at how MOSAIC performed. Now, when we talk about companies like MOSAIC, one of the most important things to look at is their financial performance. Are they selling more? Are they making more? That's what the numbers tell us. This report specifically mentions preliminary operating results, which means we are getting an early look at their earnings and revenues. While we don't have the full detailed financial tables here in this specific document, we know they are presenting key operating results. In the world of agriculture, especially with products like fertilizers, demand is heavily influenced by crop cycles and global commodity prices. So understanding how MOSAIC is doing in terms of sales volume and the prices they are getting for their products is crucial. For fertilizer companies, a key metric is often the average selling price for their main products like potash and phosphates. If those prices are up and they are selling similar or more volumes, then you are usually looking at strong revenue and profit growth. Conversely, if prices are down even with strong sales volumes, their financial performance can take a hit. We will want to see if their sales prices have improved or declined and how that impacts their overall financial health. Think about it this way. If you sell apples and the price you get for each apple goes up by 20%, you are making a lot more money even if you sell the same number of apples. On the flip side, if the price drops by 20%, you are going to feel that in your pocket. This is what we're looking for in MOSAIC's preliminary results. Are the prices for their essential crop nutrients keeping pace, or are they facing pressure? The timing of this report in October is also important. It comes after the main growing season in many parts of the world, and before the winter planting season in others. So, these results will shed light on how the company navigated the peak demand periods and what their outlook might be for the coming months. From a business strategy perspective, MOSAIC often talks about optimizing their production, focusing on cost efficiency, and expanding their market reach. These preliminary results will give us an early indication of whether their strategies are paying off. Are they becoming more efficient in their mines and production facilities? Are they successfully reaching new customers or markets? Looking at the broader industry landscape, MOSAIC operates in a global market subject to various influences. Weather patterns in major agricultural regions, government policies on agriculture and trade, and the overall health of the global economy all play a significant role. For example, a drought in a major corn-producing region could lessen demand for fertilizers. Conversely, strong global economic growth could increase demand for food, and thus for the nutrients that help grow it. While this filing is focused on preliminary results for a specific quarter, it is part of a larger ongoing story for the MOSAIC company. They are constantly managing production cycles, navigating commodity price fluctuations, and investing in their operations for the long term. The trends we see in these early numbers will give us clues about their competitive position and their ability to adapt to the ever-changing agricultural landscape. So what's my take on this filing? The MOSAIC company is in a business that's absolutely fundamental to global food production. This preliminary report is an early signal of their performance in a key quarter. While we don't have all the specifics here, the focus on operating results suggests they are highlighting their core business performance. The real test will be in the detailed financial reports that follow this to see the actual numbers on revenue, cost of goods sold, and profit margins. We want to see if their pricing power is strong and if they are efficiently managing their costs. The agricultural sector can be volatile, so MOSAIC's ability to maintain stable or increasing earnings through different market cycles is a key indicator of their strength. Potential risks could include unexpected weather events impacting crop yields and thus fertilizer demand, or significant shifts in global commodity prices for both their products and the raw materials they use. On the opportunity side, growing global population and the need for increased food production provide a long-term tailwind for companies like MOSAIC. Alright, that is our quick decode of this preliminary filing from the MOSAIC company. What are your thoughts on their potential performance this quarter, and what does it signal for the year ahead? Drop your insights in the comments below. If you found this breakdown useful, a like really helps us out, and be sure to subscribe for more corporate deep dives. And don't forget to join the conversation on our Discord server. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.